Show you how to set the background color of the canvas in the Canva app. First, we have to open up the app, and here we have a document with a few shapes inside of it. And let's say we want to set the background to a different kind of color. We just right click on the elements, then so we just click on the background, then we click on background color, and here we can select a color that we would like. It can also be a gradient, it can be black, white, or we can select from the color wheel one that fits our design better. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.